guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see an simple experiment of class 8 NCERT. The lesson name is Combustion and Flame. The materials required are candles, matchsticks, 2 paper cups, 1 empty and other filled with some water. Now let's start the activity by burning the candle first. Take 2 candles. One candle is for first paper cup which is not filled with water, and the second one is for other paper cup which is filled with some water. Now let's make the candle stand in a position. Now let's take the first paper cup which is empty and not filled with water, and let's start it burning. Use a stand for burning the first paper cup. As you can see, the first paper cup catches fire faster. Now let's do the same activity by the second paper cup which is filled with some water. As you can see, the second paper cup didn't catch fire as first one. Continue the same process and let's observe what happens. Remember, you have to blow off the first candle. The paper cup which is filled with water didn't get burned faster. Now I'm trying to hold it with my 2 hands as I can't hold it with a stand. You should take a small candle. Do not take a big candle to burn. The paper cup which is filled with water didn't get fire still. You can also boil the water keeping this in the candle flame. You may feel little hot after some times. Conclusion: when we heat the empty paper cup over the candle flame, then the empty paper cup catches fire quickly and starts burning. When we heat the paper cup containing water, then the heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to water inside by conduction. Due to the continuous process of heat from paper cup to water, the paper cup does not get heated too much. Hence, the water inside the paper cup gets boiled because of the process of conduction. Caution: you need an adult support to do this activity. Caution number 2: please have some water near you to do this activity. Caution number 3: use a stand to hold the paper cups. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon near the subscription button so you can see my videos. Bye.